So, dili ini ordinary na statement ng mga Kristyanan, no? Because we all know God is the creator of heavens and the earth. And di ba sa atong prayer, we acknowledge Him na King of all kings, Lord of all lords. And gitawag na niya nga children. We are His children. So, ingon din niya sa Romans 8 verse 15, "For ye have not received the spirit of bondage again to fear, but ye have received the spirit of adoption, whereby we cry, Abba, Father." So before Christ, mga kaigsunan, we are slaves sa sala, no? Ang atong kinabuhi is controlled with fear, guilt, or shame. But when Christ redeemed us, mga kaigsunan, iyatang giadapta sa amahan, no? In which kung ingon nag-adoption na atay full legal rights, no? Dili ta pareha ng half children, no? Kundi we are full-fledged sons and daughters of God. That's why we are privileged now to call him Abba or Father. So this is an intimate word, no? Kung sa ato pa dili Papa, Daddy, Dada, or sa pa nila Abu Jibalon. So, ingon din niya si Ellen G. White sa Steps to Christ, page 15. "Through the beloved Son, we are reconciled to God, accepted as His dear children." So, notice the word dear, no? So, dili lang na niya gi-accept mga kaigsunan, kundi gi-embrace na niya with affection, no? So, wala siya nagduha-duha pa ron, wala siya nagduda, mabasin, dili ta worthy to be His children, no? He accepts us joyfully as His children. So, nindot kaayo mga kaigsunan. And Galatians 4 verse 7 confirms, "Wherefore thou art no more a servant, but a son, and if a son, then an heir of God through Christ." So, mga kaigsunan, anak ta sa Dios o tagapagmana pa dito, we are an heirs pa Diyos. So, imagine heirs of heaven. So, unsay pasabot ana mga kaigsunan? So, everything na gi-promise sa Ginoo, no, that belongs to His children. So, kung diliya mga kaigsunan na ako'y mga mana-mana, no, mga kumpanya banaron or mga assets, ang atua is eternal inheritance na mga ang eternal life, peace, joy, and hope. So, mauna siya ang atong inheritance na madawat nato sa atong amahan, no? And sometimes mga kaigsunan, people struggle with self-worth, no? Maybe na-failed ka sa school,